And welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can drop multiple pins in the Google Maps. So we have to start from making a first pin. Just hold the finger in the desired place and choose Save. Now choose the list. You can create a new list, for example, and click Create. Now go back, set a second pin and save it into the same list. And the next one, for example, again save to test the list. And now, how you can see, we have our pins saved on the Google Maps. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.